Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the health of bread savings. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to think about why this topic is so important. Why is bread savings important? In today's world, it's more important than ever to have a strong financial foundation. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, a new car, or retirement, having a healthy savings account is crucial. Bread savings is a great option for people who are looking for a safe and reliable way to save their money. But how healthy is it really? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the pros and cons of bread savings. We'll also discuss some tips for getting the most out of your savings account. So, what are the pros and cons of bread savings? One of the biggest pros of bread savings is that it's a very safe investment. Your money is FDIC insured, which means that it's protected from loss in the event that the bank fails. Another pro of bread savings is that it offers competitive interest rates. This means that your money will grow over time, which is important for reaching your financial goals. However, there are also some cons to bread savings. One con is that the interest rates are not as high as you might get with other investment options, such as stocks or bonds. Another con is that bread savings may not be the best option for people who are looking to grow their money quickly. So, how can you make the most of your bread savings account? Here are a few tips. Set a savings goal. Having a specific goal in mind will help you stay motivated and on track. Make regular deposits. The more money you save, the faster you'll reach your goal. Take advantage of interest-earning promotions. Bread savings often offers promotions that can help you earn more interest on your money. Consider using a high-yield savings account. High-yield savings accounts offer higher interest rates than regular savings accounts. Bread savings is a great option for people who are looking for a safe and reliable way to save their money. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. If you're looking for a way to grow your money more quickly, you may want to consider other investment options. But if you're looking for a safe and reliable place to save your money, bread savings is a good choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.